What's up, guys? This is vlog 2 for WebDev. First thing I'm going to do is delete my camera. The reason I'm deleting it is because my audio gets a lot better when I don't have my camera. So I'm going to do that. Anyways, let's get back into this. So today I'm actually going to slowly try and add functionality and not add styles, but I need to add like 4 or 5 lines of styles right now. Just because it's black and you're not going to see anything. So we're going to go into the body here. Let me also do this. Google Fonts is the best website for fonts. Literally. Let's pick. Ooh, that looks like what I wanted. Let's pick a font, you know, like the default. I love Urbato. We're gonna set Urbato in my font. Let's get a little thicker. This one. Grab this. I'm gonna get the scribbly font eventually, but we'll just stick with what I have now. Go to our CSS. We're gonna go above useless and paste. We're gonna go here into our body. We can just grab this code right here. Go, now we have Urbato. I don't know what that does, but we're gonna do that. And I need a goldish color. Delete the colors that I already have. Because if I already have them, then, you know, what's the point? So, I think weird looks nice. That should contrast good with the black. So let's get rid of weird. What do I have to, oh, okay. Weird can go here. Actually, weird can just go here. There we go. We have weird now, and we can just go in here and say color. W-E-I-R. Weird, yeah. Then we can go here. We can just test this out really quick. We have to move this into its own component later. H1 with this saying hello. Hey, that's not bad. Okay. Let's get started actually coding. So we're going to create a new JavaScript file. We're going to go into component / minibar. Components minibar, we're just going to do RSF. And bam, that. I'm going to paste it here. Let's add a minibar here. You could use this as a tutorial, but I'm not explaining much, so unless you have some React knowledge, I wouldn't recommend it. Something changes, great. The reason I did that is now I can do this. I can add multiple. I can just go, but I don't have to write the same amount of code multiple times. It's a component or a function. Go, it's thinner. What do I have to do? Okay, I have to add 2 bars here. 3 bars. So we're gonna do that. We're just gonna go here. Actually, I also need some food because it's a restaurant and restaurants have food. And my great science teacher already equipped me with some food that I'm just gonna copy. Oh no, shouldn't. Well, I mean, these are great bugs that I can use. So I'm gonna first create some data, and then we're just gonna render the data. So I'm gonna go in here. We're gonna create a new JavaScript file. I guess again, we're just gonna grab it in here and we're gonna do public data. Yeah. I wanted to do a database connection, but I really don't want to host the site too, so I'm not gonna do a database connection. I'm gonna go const data equals a list export default data. And we're gonna import it here. Import data from data.js. Okay. Now what we can do here is we can do JSON dot stringify data. me see if that works. Yep, there we go. We have a list, and now if I write any code here, it should pop up there. So I have a lot of bugs here. I wanted to create a menu with at least 5 of each, so I have some content. And our data should, okay, I'm gonna write this down. Because, yeah, I am going to forget. I don't have good memory. I'm gonna take a new color here. I'm just gonna make a box. Huge, no. So our data should have a name, protein. I guess I'm just gonna write, I'm gonna write a guess. And if it's other, I'll also write calories as a guess. No, this has to be huge. Guess. I was really good at writing like this. Cal. Protein cal, and then we'll have a price, which I am going to steadily increment. Go. And that can be an int, and the rest can be int. Integer, 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 and that can be a string. That seems like a very good to be rendered in like a pod-like structure like this. We'll have the name, bam, 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 and then we'll have like a dummy. I've done this before with my Beyblade website. I had it like that. I kind of like the vibe of that, so I'm gonna use that. So yeah, that seems like a very good thing to do. I'm gonna spend the next 10-20 minutes writing this out. So I guess you guys are here too. So this is not actually going to be this. This is actually going to be a JSON object or a JavaScript object. And then we can actually delete that. And then we can go in here. We can create appetizers. How do you spell appetizers? Give me a second, guys. I'm pulling up my assignment here actually because I'll just use the. There you go. This is how I believe you spell it. That should work. Yep. That can be a list of more objects. We can have a main dish. That can be a list of more objects. It's like 9:30 in the morning. I just got up. Desert. That can be a list of objects. There we go. Those are the basic structure. Let me just add one for each, then I'll go in there. So for appetizer, I actually have it planned out. Wow, I have a very fancy thing here. Let's do it here. So I am going to write this out as like this, I guess. I'm actually going to rewrite the structure here in the comments. Go and we can hit tab. We go and we can write it in here as what do I need? Name, protein, cal, and price. So name, alright, string, protein. You know, maybe if this is really this gets good, then I might add a database in like some other episode. I don't know why. It blows up. But probably not. Okay, that's the structure. Okay, I am going to write it here. This is very, very fancy. Oh, I was gonna have one more thing on, so I wanted to add some sides. Where's my mouse? This is so annoying that I have to expand the canvas every time. I'm just gonna, can I make it smaller? There we go. Okay, that's even bigger. I have gone crazy today, so yeah. Create some fun. You can write in here, so you can add some sides. It can be just be a list. Besides, I'm not gonna write anything special for that. So here we go. Cricket, tomato, soup. Sounds delicious, I know. That's the name. Actually, the cool thing with using JavaScript objects is I don't need to add that. I can write it in like that. It's cooler. Name, protein. I have to write that in. That's just a guess. So I know it around. So let's see here. Cricket tomato. Crickets have 10 grams of protein. I'm pretty sure. Hang on. How much protein does a cricket have? Yeah, 13. So I'm gonna round that down to 10. So be friendly. 10. Let's see. We'll use 15 crickets, 150-ish. And then the tomato soup would have a lot, so I'm just gonna go in here and write in for 3 tomatoes. How many calories does 3 Roma tomatoes have? I'm using Roma because they're smaller and cheaper. Let's see here. Carbs in... It only has 3 carbs? Oh, and 0.1, so that's gonna add 0.3, so I'm gonna round that. I'm gonna increase that 50.5. I don't know why. And then I don't know what to do for calories. I guess carbs and rum. If it says 3 calories, then I guess we'll do it 3 calories. Up. Cup. Oh, yes. Okay. Thin small size. I just want a whole. I just want like a whole tomato. Yeah, large whole. 33 calories. That's more sensible. And 1.6. So 1.6 times 3. I'm not in the mood of doing math. 4.8. So 4.8 would be added here. So 55. Let's just round that. There you go. 155 grams. That looks very, very healthy. 33 carbs, so that'd be 99. So calories, I'm not writing in for the crickets because it's super, super small. Oh, 33 carbs. I actually have to store these as an integer. I'm storing this one as a string. Wrong. Okay, next we have to add price. I'm gonna make a very expensive restaurant. Make this $5, $3. Like 0, 3.5. That seems fun. Okay, and then I have to add sides, which is a list. Comes with a... I don't know how to spell it yet, so I'm gonna give it my best shot. Yeah, I spelled it wrong. Let's see here. Alt Enter. Yep, that's the one. And then chirps on the side. I don't know why. Cricket chips, chirps. Great. That's the data. And let's see if it's getting rendered properly. Should pop up here. Name, price, slides, we get chirps. Yeah, okay, I have to make this look good because that looks horrible. Comma 0, comma 2, I think was how I... Okay, that looks good. I don't know. 2, I guess? Okay. Where is... This is my GitHub. Do I have data on here? Let me see here. Because I've written code for that too. No, I manually did it when I did that. So, JSON and stringify pretty. Jason not stringify obj null too. Okay. That should look cool. What? Which Jason is using? Pretty sure Jason using JavaScript. I'm gonna leave that there. I should log in. Jason.stringify Jason undefined too. We have to use undefined. Undefined. They're the same thing. Almost. Nope. I guess I'm looking at weird Jason. I don't need to. Like, it's really, I know it's there, so that's one. I have to add 5. It's gonna take a while. But I'm just gonna leave that. Let me see some more bugs that can be used. I'm thinking of a very nice grasshopper, mealworm, and lemon ants stir fry. Yeah, that sounds delicious. I would never eat that though. Though I have eaten a bug before. So yeah. I'm not gonna write bugs. I could write bugs too. I'm having a lot of data. You know, it's odd bugs. Bugs can also be a very good critiquing area if someone wants to check what bugs are being added. Bugs. Why? I don't know. Cricket. This is only going to consist of cricket. Stir fry. Let's do protein. I'm just gonna take a guess. I'm gonna go. It's a lot of bugs, so I'm not googling that. So we're gonna go 180 grams. Well, it's a meal, right? So that'd be pretty big. So I'm gonna go 280. We're just gonna move that up to 300. 300. I meant bump. Cal. I have no idea. 3.5 for the previous one, so we'll go 4 grams. Not too much. That's good. Oil has a lot of calories though, so that doesn't make sense. So we're gonna make that a solid 8. 15. Not feeling it. 25 up. Not only 25 up. That does make sense too. We're gonna go 125. We're gonna bump that up to 500. Okay. This is a very expensive meal. And then we'll make it, bugs consist of a very delicate order of, not scorpion, large cricket. Yeah. Why am I doing this? Mealworms in the meal. Lemon ants. Do lemon ants taste like lemon? I have to Google that. Do lemon ants taste like lemon? They have poison lemon. It's bitter. Wow, they do taste like lemon. No lemon, I guess. Yeah. Last thing that we need to add is sides. It's a stir fry, so I will give them nothing. I could give them a nice old lemon and aid. Ta-da! Creativity to the max. Okay, I will. Yeah, lemon and aid. It's a lemonade with ants in it. Oh, do I have to add photos? Use a sample to create an eco-friendly menu to about what types of proteins are like closely about how you're sure. Okay, so I don't believe I have to add info or pictures. I do need to add a grant and a big menu filter, but we'll see about that later. Let me see if I have to. I don't know if we have that photos. Crap. I'm gonna try and email one of my friends. Just a second. Gmail. That's one first. That controls to this guy and this guy. Do we have to add photos in the project? Okay, I sent him. We'll see if they're Alright, back to dessert. This one, let me pull up my bugs that I can add. I'm thinking of, what have I not used? I've not used grasshoppers. Grasshopper ice cream. Yeah, I'm gonna change this from cricket tomato soup to sweet tomato soup. Trench. Okay. Let's Google this. Bug. Desserts. How long have I been recording? Gotta keep this under 20 minutes. I'm not recording for 22 minutes. I'm going to stop here, Google some desserts, and then we're gonna come back. Thanks for watching. See you later.